Hi everyone, welcome to Srishti. Today I am going to show you two very basic stitches in crochet. One is single crochet and another is double crochet. For this tutorial, I am going to use DK acrylic yarn and a 4 mm of hook. Let's start with single crochet, which is also known as double crochet in UK. We will start with a row of chains. And to do single crochet, you have to skip the first chain. The loop over the hook is not count as a chain. Just below that chain is count as a first chain and this is second chain. So do the single crochet, we have to insert the hook in the second chain from the hook and grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. Now you have two loops on the hook. Now you have to grab the yarn once again and pull it through the two loops. Now one single crochet done. Do it again. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the loop. Now you have two loops. Again grab the yarn and pull through two. Like this you have to continue till the end. And I will show you the next row. When you are making rows of single crochet, you have to always start with a chain. So we will make a chain. Now turn your work and insert the hook just beneath the first stitch. You should see the V over the hook. And now grab the yarn, pull it through the first stitch. Now you have two loops on the hook. Again yarn over, pull it through the two loops. Now your single crochet done. Do it again. Insert the hook just below the second stitch. Yarn over, pull it through the loop. Now you have two loops. Again you grab the yarn and pull through two loops. Like this you continue to do. You will get your rows of single crochet. After doing few rows of single crochet to and fro, it will look like this. Hope you like it. Let's start the double crochet, which is also known as triple crochet in UK. To do the double crochet, we have to insert the hook in the third chain from the hook. First, second, third. And before inserting, you have to put the yarn over the hook. Now you insert the yarn through the loop, through the third chain from the hook and grab the yarn and pull it through the stitch. Now you have three loops on the hook. Again you put the yarn over the hook and grab it and pull it through the two loops, not all the loops, only two loops. Now you have two loops on the hook. Repeat it. Yarn over, grab it and pull through other two. Now your single double crochet is done. Do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, grab it, pull it through the loop. Now you have three loops. Again yarn over, pull it through two loops. Now you have two loops on the hook and yarn over, grab it and pull through the two. Your second double crochet is done. So repeat the process up to the last stitch and I will show you after finishing the first row. Now I have finished my first row. It will look like this. Now before starting the second row, for double crochet we have to make two chain. 1, 2. Now turn your work. And for double crochet, we have to skip the first stitch. And we will do it from second stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook through the second stitch. Now you can see that V loop on the hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through it. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Your double crochet is done. And now do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook through the third stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now continue to do it. I will show you after finishing few rows how it will look like. After few rows of double crochet, it will look like this. Few tips. First row, you will start from the third chain from the hook, and from second row onwards you have to start it with 2 chain and skip the first stitch and do the double crochet from second stitch onward. And lastly, don't forget to make a double crochet on the 2 chain that you have made in the starting of last row or in the starting of every row. Otherwise, the number of double crochet will decrease and you will not get the straight line border. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And if you want to get more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.